The brain is selective. Why some molecules do not reach the brain. This is Brain Lion Institute, episode 143. Not everything in the bloodstream reaches the brain. There is a barrier, a selective system that controls access. This protects the brain, but it also limits what can enter. Molecules must fit. They must be transported or supported to pass through. If they do not, they stay outside, even if they are available in the body. This is why having something is not always enough. It has to reach the brain. This determines what the system can use and what it cannot. Function follows access. Next episode: what supports molecules reaching the brain? If this resonates, please subscribe, like, comment and share. It helps the channel grow. This work is created independently. If it supports you, support link is available on the channel page. Thank you.